Hi, my name is Rene Martinez, and this is a video assignment for FTT 104 Gunsmithing Lab. My instructor's name is Cody Myers. Today is June 19, 2024. And like I said before, my name is Rene Martinez. First and most all, I want to let everybody know that there is no live ammunition on my working area whatsoever. This is all my working area right here. And the firearm has no live ammunition neither. It has been visually and physically inspected, but there is no live ammunition being pointed in a safe way. Now today, for this assignment of week 2, we're going to do a field strip of my firearm. Well, first I'm gonna put this back. We're gonna remove the feeding source. That is removed. Once the feeding source is removed, we're gonna take down the upper with the takedown pins. Yeah, that one is a bit stubborn, so that's perfect. So we take those out and remove the lower from the upper. We're going to be working with the upper. In this field strip right here, there's a buffing spring, so this is one thing that we gotta take out for the field strip. Put this back in here. Now we're gonna remove the bolt carrier group and their charging handle. Now right here, buffing spring, charging handle, lower and upper. That is my field strip. We can take it a bit farther in here. We can definitely take it a bit farther, and we can move the bolt out of it, but I will leave that when I'm doing the detailed field strip. Now to put it all back together, start with the buffing spring. Goes right there. Buffing spring set. All right, for this firearm, there we go. Nope. We gotta put the charging handle first. Right there. Right there. There you go. That is set. Of course, it has to give me problems. There we go. And there you go. Now we put the feeding source once again. Just wipe this down a little bit. There we go. And pinpoint it in a safe direction. We're gonna see if it is good. point it, dry fire. So yeah, that's how I do my field strip. And this is my week 2 video assignment for FTT 104. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.